Hello, this is Andrew. I just want to do a quick walkthrough on how to use the fitness file profiling or visualization tool that is available on Missing Remote. It supports FIT, TCX, and GPX files and can be used either with a single file or with multiple files. And we're going to quickly walk through how to use either one. So first off, with a single file, you just drop it into the upload section, and then it sends it to the server, does some in-memory only processing of the file, and then sends back the data set back to the visualization, the graphs in the page. Each one of the graphs can be moved using the little arrow thing in the far left-hand corner. And then it's also possible to select a range within the graph to have a closer look at the data within it. And when you do that, all of the graphs reset to the range that you have selected. This is especially useful if you want to have a look at like your power output over a particular effort. And then if you want to reset the selection at any time, you can just double click, or you can use the reset zoom button in the bottom left hand corner. It's possible to look at the data in either a time or distance, depending on how you prefer to look at it. To look at more than one file, the process is essentially the same. You can either click New Dataset or refresh the page. And then drop more than one file into the upload section. And then this is a little bit different because it has to align the datasets depending on what uses heart rate to figure out where they are, because time isn't always quite the same between the two different computers that you would use to generate the fitness files. So basically, just use it. Right now it uses heart rate, but ideally, long term, I'd also like to expand that so there's an option between using heart rate or cadence, with the idea that you use a single sensor as the way to synchronize the files, whether that's heart rate or a cadence sensor. And where this is useful is then we can look at the differences between, say, a power meter or a heart rate sensor or a cadence sensor for the data that is presented. And in this case, we have a Wahoo kicker and a Stages left side meter providing the power data. And so we can look at them and just kind of see the differences in the data as it's presented back to the computer for the ride. That's pretty much all there is to it. If there are features or bugs or basically you have any feedback, just let me know and I'd be happy to take a look at it. Thanks for watching.